MD Graphics Designs.
Welcome to MD Graphics Designs. Have you ever wanted to have access to all the amazing features on Canva without subscription? Here are some key features on Canva: premium templates, premium elements like illustrations, icons, stock photos and video clips, brand kit, magic resize, one-click background remover. You can quickly remove backgrounds from photos with a single click, custom templates that can easily be edited, resizable designs, priority support, publishing to social media schedules, animated designs. You can download designs with transparent backgrounds. Also download your work with high quality and unlimited storage. Here is a hack on how to bypass Canva Pro subscription.
Hey guys, welcome back to MD Graphics Design channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Canva for free. Yes, you don't have to make any subscription or whatsoever. You can have access to all the great features on Canva for free. And I'm going to show you that step by step on this video. So kindly watch to the end, and also please subscribe to this channel. So you come over to your browser and type canva.com. Enter. So this is Canva. This is not the pro version, this is the normal free plan, and we don't need this. So we want to have access to the pro features. So you come over here and click on sign up, continue with Google. So you get over here, select the email you want to make use of. Okay, I'm going to be using Animal World. Okay, so you can see it's opened. So what will you be using Canva for? I'm going to use it for personal purpose. Maybe later. Click on maybe later. So yes, we're in, but this is the free plan. We're not yet on the pro feature plan. You can see it's telling us to start free trial, but we're not going to click that. We're not going to do anything here right now. So you go over here, open a new tab. Open a new tab and type mfatools.net. Enter. This is the website we're going to be making use of to get our pro features. We're going to join a team of designers. So this is, you click on blog, then you scroll down. You can see Canva Pro for free. This was dropped here November 1st. You can see it's a new one. So you can click on it, Canva Pro for free. Then you scroll down to the end. Oh no. Okay, here. So you can see here is the latest team invite link. Click on any team button to join. So we're going to start with team 1 might be full, so let's try team 3. You can see it's full. Particular team has hit its current limit of 500 seats. So you go back and try team 4. The same thing. Let's try team 5. The same thing. Team 6. Oh yes, team 6 open for us, so we can use team 6. So on your own case, depends on when you're watching this video. It might be a different month. It may not be this month, it may be another time. Whenever you open this particular website, always try all the things and definitely one will open for you. So you can see these close, we don't need these. Okay, so now we're in. You can see we're on mfatools.net. This is the team we're in. They currently have 486 participants, so and we are one of them. So right here you can make whatever design you want, create any video you want. You can use any of their features here to create your videos and your designs. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful, please kindly hit that subscribe button and like this video. Also share this video to others that might be in need of this particular information. Thank you all for watching to the end. God bless you. See you in my next video.